And it is still 4 here in Indianapolis, so we are above 0 this morning, kind of an odd marker temperature-wise, and it's 11 degrees below 0 in terms of actual air temperature up in Kokomo. So it is very cold for us here. Temperature-wise, it is cold. Feel like temps are also well below the 0 mark, 20 degrees below 0 up in Kokomo. We don't have a wind chill advisory out, but that does not mean it is not cold. You notice everybody below 0 in terms of feel like temperatures this morning. Cover all exposed skin. You'll probably need to keep a lot of those layers handy and ready to go this afternoon as well, since it will remain cold later on today. Not tracking any precip right now. Still quite a bit of cloud cover around though, so expect to see a mostly cloudy sky take us through the rest of this morning. And then we have that system there that's impacting portions of Texas, which will give us the potential for a bit of snow as we head through the day tomorrow. Could maybe see a stray snow shower out of that with those snow showers headed towards St. Louis later on this afternoon, but nothing really too substantial coming out of that. So area of high pressure will slide just north of us. That chance of a stray snow shower again approaching your lunch hour, not necessarily out of the question, but I think most of us today will see plenty of dry time. Still a very gray afternoon, and then later on tonight by around 9:30, 10 o'clock in southern Indiana will start to increase snow chances, and that'll continue through the overnight hours. Chance of a light snow shower by noon, 15 degrees. We start off with our temperature at 8 at 0. Feel like temps approaching 10 degrees below 0, and then we eventually start to climb above the 0 mark this afternoon in terms of feel like temperatures. It'll feel like it's 11 degrees by 5 with daytime highs in the lower 20s, and that's pretty much a statewide trend today. 20 degrees in Indianapolis, 17 Fort Wayne, 19 up in South Bend. Tonight, overnight lows, an improvement compared to what we're seeing right now by almost 10 degrees, 15 in Indianapolis, 11 South Bend, 14 in Chicago. And then tomorrow we have that chance during the morning hours for seeing a few scattered light snow showers, basically from Indianapolis and points south and southeast. That's going to continue through the end of daybreak. And I think once we get through mid to late afternoon, we'll diminish our snow shower chances. The evening commute overall not that bad. We are not anticipating a whole lot of accumulation from this. I think a lot of us by the end of the day come Thursday, well under that 2-inch mark. A lot of us a bit closer to an inch. Maybe an inch and a half, but that's kind of on that higher end of that snowfall accumulation scale for tomorrow. Tomorrow, daytime highs topping out in the lower 20s, 23 in Indianapolis, 24 South Bend, mid-20s up in Chicago. And then we're wrapping up the work week on a pretty decent note. We'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies. I think a lot of us remaining mainly dry through the end of the week, even though we do have that chance, at least according to our model, for that snow shower. I think everybody heading through the day on Friday should remain mainly dry. 24 Saturday, still cold. Sunday warmer with a light wintry mix during the afternoon. And in our Chapman Heating and Cooling 8-day forecast, could see it transition over into all rain during the first half of the work week next.